Hi all, we are going to learn principal conjective normal forms in this unit. In the last session, we have seen what is min terms and what is max terms. So here, the definition of principal conjective normal forms. For any given statement or formula, an equivalent formula consisting of max terms, only we call it as a principal conjective normal form. We say it is PCNF. So PCNF is nothing but the product of max terms. The max terms will contain OR. It is a sum of elementary sum. So it is a product of max terms only. Working rule to obtain PCNF. Now by step 1, the given formula we have to simplify with the equivalence rules, and we should rewrite the given statement formula with the help of and, or, and, not alone. This is the first step. In second step, we should apply the fact that is P or F is equivalent to P. So using this, each term, we have to take the each term with a or F, and we should substitute P or F is equivalent to P. Then in step 3, we should write instead of F, we have to apply P and not P, which is equivalent to F. So in step 4, apply distributive rules, and in step 5, apply commutative rules and bring the criteria of a PCNF formula, which should have the product of max terms. Now we will see the problem 1. So obtain the PCNF of the following. P implies not P and Q implies P. So here let us take the question, and here by using this is actually P implies the second part. So let us take the first part as P and second part as this term. So P implies something like a Q. We write the formula not P. P implies Q is equivalent to not P or Q. So not P or Q. So not of the first term P or the second term write as it is like a Q. And next we can apply the distributive law. It should have some or and. So this is not P or not Q and the second part. So A or B and C. So A or B and A or C. Like that we can apply the distributive law. So not P or not P and not P or not Q or P. So like that we can split. Next, we can write this P or not P as not P and here I can apply some associative law, and I can bring this P in front, not P or T or not Q. So next step we can write not P and T union not Q. So we got T. It is nothing but P or not P is equivalent to T. So that is in the previous step we got P or P. Not P or P can be replaced as T. So we have a given T. Now I can apply this T or not Q, we can replace it as, again we can take in this way, and here we will get it is T. Not P and T, it is equivalent to P. So likewise P and T is equivalent to P. Here not P or and T is equivalent to not P. Next step we can write, we should take not P we got. So your third step is we have to take intersection, that is and F, not P and F. That is, if when we take not P and F, this F can be replaced as Q and not Q. So that we have to bring the max terms, product of max terms. That's what we are we are writing the product here. So not P and F, that is we write F as Q and not Q. Now by using by distributive law, we can split this one. So not P or Q and not P or not Q. So here we are getting this is the product, and here we are getting the max terms. It is a product of max terms, which is nothing but PCNF formula. Second, we move on to obtain the PCNF of the following, not of a P biconditional Q. So here you take the we take the formula, and this is first of all we have to apply this formula, that is biconditional formula. It is nothing but R implies R biconditional yes is nothing but R implies yes and yes implies R. So using that biconditional formula, I can write not is staying outside. So P implies Q and Q implies P. Then I can write this P implies Q. What is the formula? P implies Q is not P or Q. So when we apply not P or Q intersection, Q, this here also not Q or P. Now here I can write, I can apply, I can bring this not inside. If I bring not inside, I will get P and not Q. And here this will and will change to OR. Then again if I bring not here, Q and not P. In next step, we can write P and not Q or Q and P and not Q or not P by using the distributive law. Then we can split this equation. Here we are having and or. So when we split this, P and not P or Q and not Q or Q. So we got two terms from the first term by using the distributive law. Then we take the second one. P or not P and not Q or not P. So from this second part we are getting two terms by using the distributive law. Again, here not Q or Q is nothing but T, true value, and P or not P is also true value, and we have only the last two terms. And this any intersection, any value intersecting with the T is nothing but T. P and T is nothing but P. So using this formula, the T will disappear and we will get P and P or Q and not P or not Q. So this is the answer, which is the max terms, the product of max terms. This is the required PCNF. Thank you, students.